Hello from Slovenia again. It's a playtime in my art studio again. And today I will try to do some swipes and then some dips with this present kind of thing. It's a balloon and it's wrapped by paper napkin because sometimes balloon is so kind of, I don't know, so maybe this will work differently. We will see. So I have some blues and some golden brownish tones, or how can I say, I have greenish blue, iridescent green blue, turquoise blue, phthalo blue, I have gold, I have quinquedone nicolazo gold, I have some pearl white and white. And what I want to do is add a layer of white here on the canvas, but don't want this to be a thick layer. Okay, so now I will do a line here in the middle. Maybe not a little more on the top side. So pearl white hopefully will give me some effects. And I will just add a little bit of greenish blue. I don't want a ton of color for the background. I will add some of this iridescent green blue and some turquoise blue. I will add some gold. Maybe a little more pearl white and a little bit of quinquedone nicolazo, just a touch. I think that I just want a little more of this greenish blue here. Okay, doke, and maybe some Prussian, or should I use some black? Let's do some black. Okay. Now I will grab a paper towel first. And I will just swipe down first. So it turned out a little different, but anyway, I will try to do a flower here with those gold and yellow tones. And do I want to add a little red? No, don't want to. So I will basically just do some puddles here with pearl white, like that. One Ecuador Nicolazo. And some gold. I dripped. I will add a little black in the middle, maybe some pearl white on top, and try to dip that. I like it. I will show you the one that it's the most beautiful one. I just love this one. Just amazing. Beautiful. And those are beautiful too. I'm quite happy. And I'm happy that they overlap, that they are not just sitting one next to each other, you know, that it gives a little depth, or how can I say? I think that it turned out quite beautiful. I will go maybe in some places to touch the middle, like here maybe. Oop. And there's a bee or something. I love it. But this one is just gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, I will not be able to show you the dried result because I have my granddaughter here, so I just sneak into the studio. They are on the walk with Raiko to paint a little bit. Yeah, and I like it. Tell me in the comments what you think. I definitely had the feeling that the napkin was a good idea because I did have a little less of that slippery kind of feeling with the balloon. So yeah, I like that. Tell me in the comments what you think about it, and thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.